darkness, our love shines the brightest.
Congratulations. Sana patuloy na yung pangarap mo na maging malagaya. Kasi nung una medyo hindi tayo nag-succeed, pero sana ngayon matuloy na yung tagal mong hinaharap sa buhay. Ito pa.
I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold through every high, every low.
Okay, yun lang, simple. I love you, Bon. Thank you. Okay.
Love you pa.
I love you, boy. You're my baby always. Love you.
Love you, ma.
You'll always be my baby.
Be here till I find a breath. My love is all for you. Even as we wait for time to heal the broken parts, our light will find.
Princess, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makasang dibdib si Francisco na iyong pakamamahalin habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Together we are stronger. Oh, together we are stronger.
Ikaw naman, Francisco, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Princess na iyong pakamamahalin habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Only grow, and I'll be here when the sun sets, and I'll be here till our final breath. My love is all for you. It's
Love, alam mo ba nung una ka palang nagalit sa akin dahil hindi ako kumain? I knew it. You're the right one for me. Hindi ko talaga alam kung saan at paano ako magsisimula dahil ang tanging alam ko lang ay sobrang saya ng puso ko.
falling asleep, and she likes to cuddle while under the sheets. She loves pop songs and dancing and bad trash TV. She loves love notes and babies and likes giving gifts as a hard time accepting a good compliment. She loves her whole family and all of her friends. So if you're the one she lets in, take it. If she gives you her heart, don't you break it. Let your arms be a place she feels safe in.
Sino ba naman kasi mag-aakala na sa simpleng hi ay mauuwi sa simbahan? Alam mo ba, nung nag-hi ka pa lang, may iba na akong naramdaman. Isang pakiramdam na ang hirap ipaliwanag. Na parang sinasabi ng puso ko na kailangan kitang replyan.
You'll ever have. She'll love you if you love her like that. Kiss her with passion as much
Love,
as you can.
I vow to always be by your side with dedication. As your loving husband and a serviceman, I promise to protect and care for you. I will honor our family and keep us united.
Take it. If she gives you her heart, don't you break it. Let your arms be a place she feels safe in. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She'll love you if you love her on days when it feels like
No matter what challenge come our way, I will stay strong and supportive. My love for you will guide me in all I do. I promise to balance my work with our family's needs.
Sobrang daming dahilan para sumuko. Pero mas pinili nating dalawa na lumaban at patunayan sa lahat na kaya natin at tayo talaga hanggang dulo. You are worth the wait. Happy 6 years anniversary and I love you, Mr. Ko.
I will always come back to you, no matter what, where my service takes me. Our bond will be my strength, and I vow to be a faithful and a loving partner, now and forever.
She'll love you if you love her like that.